Let's take a look at how engineering teams can better focus on solving engineering challenges instead of spending time on CAD modeling. Because we are talking about the product design and manufacturing collection, you have tools available to drive possible engineering solutions while empowering the user to make trade-offs for materials, cost, performance, and manufacturing methods. Engineering teams are constantly under pressure to get the products to market in less time, limiting their ability to innovate. And though we all understand that innovation is the challenge to the status quo, time available is limited and teams are struggling to come up with more than a few ideas to lightweight their designs or improve product performance. In this example, we are looking at a front loader in Autodesk Inventor. There are many decisions an engineer needs to take into consideration when one of the requirements is innovation. One roadblock can be tribal knowledge. Most companies need a better insurance for innovation than one or two people with all the ideas in their heads, and the question is always, is there a better way? We are going to start by removing the traditional shovel arms. And because innovation is about removing clutter and getting down to basics, we can simplify down to the components that matter. We can also use symmetry. And finally, because the team is already proficient in Inventor, all the modeling will be done within that application. The team is simply going to create a standard Inventor file and locate it in their Fusion team folder. This file will contain two basic objects needed to create the generative outcome. Preserve regions, what in this case would be the areas the arm mounts to the machine, the hydraulic lifter, and the shovel. And obstacle regions, this is the defined area we don't want to allow material to be built by generative design. This includes hydraulic cylinders and also space for screws, counterbores, and any tooling that needs access. The modeling within Inventor is done with 4 simple commands: sketch, project, combine, and extrude. No need to break the rhythm and change the tools you already invested time in learning. With the Inventor file saved in Fusion Team, you will see the same folder structure when opening Fusion 360. And with any CAD available in both Inventor and Fusion 360, we can bridge this workflow seamlessly. AnyCAD is a powerful tool in CAD data translation. Instead of converting the data from one platform to another, AnyCAD creates a portal for you to look at the original CAD data. Any changes made to the original file will reflect from one software to another. One big benefit of generative design is that it will take different manufacturing approaches into consideration. This assures that the design team is getting options to make better decisions as what can be manufactured with the capabilities they have on hand. We will specify the preserve and obstacle regions. Again, the obstacle sections are where we know we have interferences and attachment points. Next, we will apply a constraint to where the arm pivots the rotation for tipping the shovel, and then apply loads to the section where the arm is mounted to the shovel and the machine itself. Next, the team will select the manufacturing process. The team is looking to plasma cut the arms out of 80mm thick steel plate, what will make 2-axis the perfect choice. However, as most teams have more than one manufacturing approach available and generative design is being used as a true exploration tool, the team can easily get results for unrestricted, the additive process, and standard milling up to 5-axis. Not only will generative design let you explore many manufacturing options, but it will also let you explore different materials. Would it be possible not only to lightweighting the heavy arm, could the part be done with a different material than normal? Because the team is looking to market the compact loader in extreme temperature and all weather conditions, they decide to include Inconel, stainless, and even 6061 aluminum. And by getting this data up front, they can make high impact decisions much earlier in the design process. Utilizing parallel compute on the cloud results in huge savings of non-expensive, non-billable computer hardware and access to unlimited calculation power. The results can easily be filtered within Generative Design, so you can quickly narrow down the selection and start investigating what designs can be utilized. Here we can, for example, take a look at the unrestricted results and see possible lightweighting without considering the manufacturing processes. We can also take a look at the standard free access milling and quickly view the differences between materials, here the soft 6061 aluminum versus aerospace Inconel. But it's not just about materials and taking the manufacturability into consideration. Generative Design also lets you look at cost. Powered by a priori, it provides a minimum and a maximum cost estimated based on material, production volume, manufacturing methods, and shape complexity. The goal is to increase innovation by choosing the best design. Within the Explorer window, we can filter and validate different results and weigh them against our material and manufacturing results. The results are saved in the cloud, letting the engineering team pick and choose from multiple pre-validated concept models. Here we will tag and download 2 possible design alternatives. Just as before, where AnyCAD was used to bridge the workflow from Inventor to Fusion 360, the design team can again utilize the security of AnyCAD and eliminate time wasting. Within the comfort of Inventor, they will navigate to the Fusion team folder and insert their innovative version of the shove alarm to their master model, letting the team explore and validate the 2 designs in their preferred CAD software. And the opportunity does not end here. Generative Design generates fully editable solid models. This gives the team full control to edit and modify their outcome to the perfect, innovative solution. In this short video, you saw the design team utilizing the product design and manufacturing collection, explore more design options with a better fit to their manufacturing process, spending less time getting a more competitive solution.